Hello, and welcome to this short English story. Today we learn a strong life lesson. The lesson is about silence and power. You will learn simple English sentences. Let's begin now. Do you know why silence is strong? Think about a quiet person you know. That person seems calm and safe. Calm people often get respect. Why does this happen? This is a true story for learning. The story is about two men. One man speaks a lot every day. The other man speaks very little. We will see what happens. Meet Adam. He likes to talk. Adam talks fast and loud. He wants to win every talk. He thinks words give him power. He is sure of this. Meet Daniel. He is quiet. Daniel listens first. He thinks he speaks only when he needs. People see Daniel as calm. People feel respect for him. One day both men go out. They go to a small market. A man in the market is rude. The man says mean words to Adam. Adam feels angry and hot. Adam shouts back at the rude man. He uses loud and quick words. His face is red and tense. His words try to push the other man. The market becomes noisy. Daniel does not shout or move. He stands beside Adam and breathes. He keeps his face calm and soft. He looks at the rude man slowly. He says nothing at all. The rude man yells for more time. He wants a big reaction now. He wants Adam to lose control. But Adam is angry and loud. Daniel stays quiet and steady. The market people watch the scene. They look at Adam and the rude man. Then they look at Daniel too. Daniel looks calm and safe to them. People feel a change in the air. The rude man begins to feel small. His loud words lose their power. His voice is not strong now. He sees the calm of Daniel by Adam. He stops and looks down. The market becomes quiet in seconds. The rude man walks away slowly. No one fights with him now. Adam is surprised and quiet too. He did not win with noise. Adam watches Daniel and thinks. He sees that silence is not weak. Daniel did not fight with words. Daniel used calm and control. This gave Daniel real power. Adam says, "Why are you so calm?" Daniel smiles and breathes slow. He says, "Silence is power." Adam hears the short sentence. It sounds strong and new. Repeat with me. Silence is power. Say it slowly, one part at a time. Silence is putabua. Now together. Silence is power. Very good. You can say this every day. Why does this sentence work? Silence shows you control your mind. When you control your mind, you control the moment. People feel this control and give respect. That is real, soft power. Now we learn another sentence. This one uses more words, but it is simple. Silence speaks louder than words. Repeat. Silence speaks louder than words. One more time, say it out loud. Use these sentences in life. When people try to make you angry, stop, breathe 3 times and stay quiet. Use silence instead of loud words. You show strength, not anger. At school, you can use silence. When a classmate teases you, stay calm, do not shout or say bad words. Sit quiet and then walk away. Teachers will see your control at work. Silence works too. When a meeting is tense, breathe. Do not say the first thing you think. Think and then speak one short sentence. People will listen to your calm voice. In family talks, silence helps a lot. If someone yells, do not answer fast. Take time and think with calm. Say one simple sentence later. Your words will have more weight. Silence is not always right. Sometimes you must Speak and act. Silence is a tool to use with care. Choose silence when words make more pain. Choose words when action is needed. Back to Adam. He learns each day. He tries to breathe when angry. He practices silence with family. He uses the sentence "silence is power." He sees better results slowly. Daniel and Adam become close friends. Adam asks Daniel many questions. Daniel shares simple tips and calm breaths. Adam practices every morning for 5 minutes. He feels his mind become clear. You can practice too, right now. Take a small pause and breathe 3 times. Say silently, "Silence is power." Feel your body relax little by little. This is a strong practice. Now repeat the 2 sentences again. First, "Silence is power." Say it loud. Second, "Silence speaks louder than words." Say it slow. Great. You did very well today. You are learning English and life. Let us add a short example. Imagine a noisy bus and a fight. One person yells and the other is quiet. The quiet person breathes and waits. Soon the fight ends because calm wins. Another example is on the phone. A caller is rude and fast. You can stop, breathe, and speak once. Say, "I will call back later." Then hang up. You keep your power in peace. Practice makes this better each day. Try 1 minute of silence every morning. Look at the sky and breathe slow. Say "silence is power" in your mind. Do this for 1 week. After 1 week you will see change. You may feel less stressed each day. People will notice your calm face. You will speak less but with more strength. This is the goal of silence. Now we add a short dialogue. Adam: "He said bad things to me." Daniel: "Do not answer now. Breathe, Adam. It is hard to be quiet." Daniel: "Try 1 breath, then 1 word." Adam tries and then speaks 1 word. He says, "Stop." The group listens. His 1 word has more power. It is better than many angry words. This is the magic of silence. You can use silence to learn English. Listen to people and repeat slowly. Speak few words but speak clearly. This helps your pronunciation and calm mind. You learn more with less noise. Now a small reading practice. Read slowly with me. This line, "Silence is power." Read once. Read again. Silence speaks louder than words. Good. Your voice is getting steady. Keep these small tips in mind. Tip 1. Breathe before you speak. Tip 2. Think 2 times. Tip 3. Speak 1 clear sentence. Tip 4. Practice quiet every day. Let us remember the main scene. The rude man left the market. Daniel stayed quiet and calm. Adam learned to use silence. The whole group felt respect. That moment changed Adam's life. He stopped trying to win with noise. He started winning with calm action. He was not weak. He was wise. This is the power of silence. Now speak the main sentence again. Say it with me. Silence is power. Say it slow. Silence speaks louder than words. Feel the words in your chest. They are small but full of strength. 1. More real-life practice idea. If someone is angry, count to 5. Look down, breathe, and smile a little. Then say 1 short sentence. This stops a big fight. Another practice is a silent walk. Walk for 5 minutes without music. Look at the trees or the road. Use silence to find calm and ideas. This helps your English and mind. Parents and teachers can help too. Teach children small silent games. Ask them to listen for 1 minute. Then ask them to say 1 sentence. They learn calm and clear speech. Friends can do a calm challenge. One friend talks for 1 minute. The other friend listens and stays quiet. Then they switch roles and repeat. Both learn to listen and speak well. Now a mini test for you. Think of one angry time in life. What did you say first when angry? Could you try silence next time? Write one sentence for your plan. Your plan can be very simple. Right? First I breathe 3 times. Right? Then I say one calm word. Right? Then I leave the place. Practice this plan this week. Small wins bring big change. One calm day can change a week. One calm week can change a life. Silence builds strong habits slowly. You will feel proud of yourself. Back to our English lesson now. We will do a slow listening exercise. I will say the sentence 1 time. You listen and repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. Silence is power now. You repeat it once. Silence speaks louder than words. Repeat this 1 more time. Very good. You did great. Use simple visuals in your video. Show a quiet face and deep breath. Show the market scene in calm images. Show the rude man leaving the place. Simple images help learning fast. For voice and music, stay slow. Use soft music under the voice. Leave small silent moments in the video. These silent moments are part of the lesson. They show the power of quiet. Now another short story point. Adam learns to speak less at work. He says one idea in meetings. People listen and remember his idea. He gets respect and new chances. Daniel never used silence to hurt. He used it to protect peace. Silence helped him think better. Silence helped him choose the right words. This is balanced and kind power. Language learning tip. Shadow reading. Listen to a short line and repeat after. Do this with calm and soft voice. Repeat 3 times and rest. This helps memory and calm. Remember, silence is a tool. Use it with good heart and care. Don't use silence to avoid help. Use silence to think and act. Well, use words to help when needed. Let us review the 2 key lines. Line 1. Silence is power. Say it. Line 2. Silence speaks louder than words. Say it. Repeat each line slowly once more. Great job. You are strong and calm. Now, a short encouragement for you. You can be calm in hard times. You can learn English and life skills. Small daily practice brings big strength. Keep going step by step. If you practice daily, you grow fast. 5 minutes a day is enough. Say the sentences. Breathe and listen. Your voice will become clear and calm. Your life will feel more peaceful. Final mini story moment for you. Adam smiles when he remembers Daniel. He says one short thank you sentence. He knows silence helped him grow. You can feel this too. Now one last time, repeat the lines. Silence is power. Say it loud. Silence speaks louder than words. Say it slow. Feel the silence after the words. This is your new strength. Thank you for listening today. You did a deep and calm practice. You learned English and a life lesson. Use silence to build your inner power. You are doing very well. If you liked this story, do one thing. Click the like button and subscribe. Write one short comment below. Now, tell us your plan for silence today. We will read and support you. Want more short stories like this? We make simple English with life lessons. Each story helps your English and life skills. Subscribe to get new videos every week. We are with you in this learning. Extra practice. Try to teach a friend. Tell a friend the 2 key lines. Ask them to repeat after you 3 times. Practice together for 5 minutes. This helps both of you learn. Now a short breathing exercise here. Sit tall and close your eyes if you can. Breathe in for 3 counts. Breathe out 3 counts. Say silently, "Silence is power." Repeat twice. Open your eyes and smile. One last tip for your day. If you feel angry, wait 1 minute, count slowly, and breathe calm. Then decide to speak or be silent. Choose what brings peace. Remember Daniel's calm face. Remember Adam's new small habit. You can start today with 1 step. Say, "Silence is power." Feel it. You are stronger with calm. Now a quick speaking check for you. Say the lines and record your voice. Listen and check your clarity. Better your speed and calm voice. Try again and you will improve. This is the end of our story. Thank you for your time and effort. Keep practicing and be patient. Small steps bring big change in time. You are on the right path. Final repeat loud and clear. Silence is power. Say it once. Silence speaks louder than words. Say it slow. Well done, you learned and you grew. Keep this power with you. If you want scripts like this, tell us. We can make more stories for A1-A2. We can add more practice and images. We help you make fast progress. Join our learning family now. Goodbye, and see you in the next lesson. Keep calm, keep practicing, and breathe. Remember, silence is gentle strength. Remember, silence is power. See you soon. Stay strong and calm.